the real shark bait here. And I know I'm kind of shirtless, but I accidentally did that. Yeah, she's French fries. I also kind of want to just show you what my shark bite now looks like. Yeah, it's pretty hard to see, but
you could pause the video.
Just wanted to kind of show you guys. But today we are going to I want to just show you guys my Airhog drone. Yes, I'm aware I'm not sponsored by Airhog. I just really wanted to show you guys because, I don't know, I just do. What? Okay. Hey guys, I got my drone. And so me and my cousin attached this little string. You probably can't see it that well. And so it's for like an easier like guiding to it. So all you have to do to start it, you're probably like, what? You just have to drop it. And like you control it because it's like sensor activated. So I'm sorry I kind of have to yell. So like it does all of this stuff like the disco. So it can do a lot of tricks. I just don't know really how to activate them. So like all you have to do for this trick is you have to activate your drone, obviously, and then you have to put your hands around it, and then it just discos. So yeah, okay. Me and her French fries are gonna be playing a little pass with it, just to, you know.
I'm not really good at it because I barely ever.
Here, look. Oh no! It's okay, guys. Hold on. Can I see it? Okay. Okay, guys. Now can you come over here, camera person? Slash my mom. We are going to be throwing the drone up because, well, it just activates automatically, as you can see there. So yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be throwing it up, and then I'm gonna be grabbing the string, and it's gonna like fly a lot. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Well, that did not work out as expected. So yeah, okay guys, it's kind of dying. So I think that's gonna be the end of this video. So good. Now stay here. Goodbye.